Welcome back to Alberta Bound. Today I'd like to share with you my process of making a YouTube video. This will be a basic overview of the hardware, software, and how my videos all come together. So let's start off with the hardware. When I first started this YouTube channel, I used the original DJI Osmo Mobile for the first 10 videos. Now there's a version 5 of this gimbal, but the old gimbal still helped me take some steady shots. I paired this gimbal with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Here's the other gear I use. I edit, post, and do all my website on a 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2018, along with a Logitech keyboard. I now film with a Sony RX10 Mark IV attached to the DJI RSC2 gimbal for more control and buttery smooth shots. I currently use a Zoom H1 to record my voiceovers, and all of this fits nicely into my PGY Tech 1Mo Camo backpack. I also have a couple of tripods, pop filter, and other small accessories to round out my gear. Finally, I do have a slider, but I've not used it much, since the gimbal can often mimic these movements. As far as software goes, here are the apps I use. I use Google Earth, Google Maps, and the Weather Network app for scouting locations, Lumo Fusion for video editing, Google Keep for writing my voiceovers, and Snapseed for thumbnails. So let's start with Google Earth. When I'm looking for a location to visit, I'll open up Google Earth and turn on the Photos option. This allows me to look at various photos people have taken when visiting these areas of Alberta. Once I find something interesting in a place I think I would like to visit, I head over to the Weather Network app. Here I'll check the forecast for any bad weather. I try to shoot all my videos with sunshine and beautiful skies. I'll check out the radar map for cloud coverage and any incoming precipitation. When I go out to shoot a video, I try to shoot the majority in 120 frames per second. This slow-mo look matches well with voiceover, and more importantly, it provides a great cinematic look to the videos. Once I have all the footage I need, I'll dump it into the iPad and start working in Lumo Fusion. I'll try to arrange clips to tell a story of what the visitors can expect when visiting these locations in Alberta. Next, I choose the music that will closely match the timeline. I get this music from Epidemic Sound and will do some minor edits to match everything together. I'll go into Google Keep and start writing a script to match the video clips. Google Keep provides a great place to keep everything organized. Finally, I'll read the script into my Zoom H1 recorder with a pop filter and then drop down the voiceover into the timeline. I splice out any bad recordings and match the voice to the clips. The last step is simply exporting and uploading the video to YouTube. And that's my entire process I use for YouTube videos. I hope you may have found this interesting or useful. Until next time, thanks for watching and explore more.